Here comes a video to give you a difference and clear-cut idea about the convex or concave polygons. You might be having lots of confusion, which one is concave, which one is convex. So let's see practically. First, I'll give you two polygons. These are the two polygons as you can see in your screen. These are the two polygons. Now you can see in the first polygon, this is my first polygon. In this polygon, all the internal angles are less than 180. Now in the second one, if you see the second one, this is my second polygon, this angle is greater than 180 degree. Fine. This is one difference between these two polygons. So this is convex, this one is convex, and this one is concave. In convex, all the angles, internal angles are less than 180 degree. In the concave, at least one angle will be more than 180 degree, or you can say reflex angle. दूसरा जो convex है, इसके जितने भी diagonals हैं, they will be inside the figure. Like this one is inside the figure, this one is inside the figure. सब inside रहेंगे. But in case of convex, at least one of the diagonal will be outside. Here you can see if I join these two. So this is the diagonal which is outside the figure. Rest all will be inside, like this is inside. This is inside. If I join this one and this one, that will be also inside. So एक जो diagonal है वो outside the figure रहेगा. That is another issue with this concave. This is how you can identify whether any polygon is concave or convex. So एक बार दोबारा, convex में सभी angles 180 डिग्री से छोटे होंगे, concave में एक एंगल रिफ्लेक्स एंगल होगा 180 से बड़ा और 360 से छोटा. कन्वेक्स में सारे डायगोनल्स फिगर के अंदर होंगे, जबकि कनकेव में कम से कम एक डायगोनल जो है वो फिगर के बाहर होगा. दोनों से आप पहचान कर सकते हो विच वन इज कन्वेक्स, विच वन इज कनकेव. थैंक यू, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.